Hello children, today we are going to do a GK chapter Tops at Table Tennis. Before we begin the chapter, I would like to tell you that table tennis is a very well known game and also liked by many. It was on the 6th of April that World Table Tennis Day is celebrated. It is on the 6th of April that World Table Tennis Day is celebrated. Table tennis is an indoor sport played between two players or teams. To play with this game, you will need a couple of table tennis bats, also called rackets or paddles, and a ball and a special table. How is the game played? The ball is hit and it goes over the net to the opponent's half, so that the opponent cannot reach or return the ball over the net and on the table. The aim is that the opponent should not be able to return the ball. But as the game goes, the opponent returns the ball on the other side. Now let us see the dimensions of the table. The table tennis table is a flat rectangular wooden table that is 2.74-meter long and 1.525-meter wide and 76 centimeter high. A net divides it into two halves. Playing surface. The top with lines and edges is the playing surface. Players hit the ball from one side of the table to the other. There is an end line also before each player. The line that marks the end of the playing surface and the back line of the serving zone. That is the end line. Now sidelines. Line marking the sides of the playing surface are the sidelines. Center line. A 3 mm line that divides each table half into two parts is called the center line. The serve is made diagonally across the table. Diagonally means from one end or corner of the table to the other corner. Net. Loosely stitched divider across the middle of the table is the net. Players must hit the ball over it. Net support. Vertical pieces that is 15.25 centimeter high and stretches the net with the help of a white tape. That is a net support. Restriction. While playing the game, the players are not allowed to move the table. They cannot touch the table surface or the net while the ball is in play. So that is the restriction while playing the game. Now let us see when the first table tennis World Cup was held. It was held in 1980. Table tennis became an Olympic sport in 1988. A Grand Slam is earned by a player who wins singles titles in the Olympics, World Championships and the World Cup. Let us see and learn about some of the famous tennis stars. Mei Long is a tennis star from China. Ovechkarov Dmitrij is a player from Germany. Fan Zhendong is a player from China. These are well-known players. Now let us learn about a tennis rally which lasted for a very long time. The world's longest table tennis rally lasted 8 hours 40 minutes 5 seconds and was played by Daniel Eves and Peter Eves, both from Britain, in 2014. Now some questions. In 1900s, which sports equipment manufacturer trademarked a game called ping pong, a game based on table tennis? The answer is Hamley Brothers. Second question. Today's table tennis balls are made of celluloid plastic. What were they originally made of? The answer is they are made of rubber. So with this we have done this chapter, tops at table tennis. Okay, thank you children.